Okay, here's the original Beverly Hillbillies Hallmark Christmas tree ornament. It also came in a Twilight Zone version. It has a static picture on the front there, and there's a button on the side here. When you press it, it lights up. That's nice and all, but let's see what I was able to do with it. So what I ended up doing is put a Raspberry Pi with a LCD display in there. There's also an audio amp and a speaker. I put a new speaker in there. So there's a volume knob to control that speaker. It does get pretty loud, but it reverberates at too high a volume, so it's turned down a little bit. There's a stereo out if you want to plug in an external sound system or external USB powered speakers or similar. There's a skip button to go to the next video. There's a pause button and a USB drive. You can load new video on there, and then a power plug. I might change this power plug to a micro USB, but right now I just have a adapter cable that goes from micro USB to the back of the TV. But Beverly Hillbillies isn't that great for a Christmas tree anymore, so let's try something else. So you can load any video you want onto here. Let's get this, try and get this. It's a little bit bright. It's not autofocusing, but you get the idea. On this one I put Charlie Brown Christmas. But you can load any video you want. Compatible with a few different formats, but there's a couple recommended formats. The other thing about this screen that's different than the previous screen I've used in the past is it has a very high viewing angle. You can clearly see from any angle. It doesn't really change the brightness, doesn't invert the colors like some of them. So this is ready to go back on a Christmas tree. Except now with your home videos, your favorite Christmas movies, whatever you want.
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel
it runs at 640 by 480 resolution,
I just don't understand
and it's full frames per second, full color. It is an IPS display, so it's a higher quality display. Let's try turning up the volume.
Maybe Lucy's right. Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, you're the Charlie Browniest.
So it gets pretty loud. Depending on your video source, you might want to turn it down a little bit. That sounds pretty good there. Alright, until next time.